So we've got some more new crisps to try today, and we've got these Chika's Taste the Joy Yummy Fire Grill Corn Puffs. These were bought for £1.25 in Poundland, and I got them along with these Easy Cheesy flavour from the same company. They're both branded with the new on the top, and I've never seen the company before, and never mind tried them. Well, other than these, which I've just reviewed on my channel, so check that out afterwards, the cheese flavoured ones. So I'm looking forward to these fire grill ones. I mentioned in the cheese video that as much as I love Flaming Hot Wotsits, they aren't particularly spicy. So I'm hoping that these maybe have a bit more spice to them. But they haven't really advertised them as particularly spicy, other than the little, I don't know what that is, a bowl with flames coming out of it. It's not really, it's not like fire on the packet or anything like that, or warnings. But we'll see what they're like. Oh. It's just a yellow corn puff. It's not red or orange or anything. So the same size as the cheese ones, small, which is not good. You got to get a handful of them really to get a flavour of them, to get a proper taste of them. Let's give them a go. Are these filled with the wrong crisp? With the wrong flavour, isn't it? Now tell me, if you were to pick those up, would you expect flaming hot, like a chili flavouring? It's beef. It's beef flavoured, like a barbecue beef. Ingredients: maize, sunflower oil, natural fire grill. I'm assuming the main barbecue. Fire grill means barbecue in Nigeria. Flavour: rice flour, yeast extract, salt, sugar, wheat flour, dextrose, natural flavouring, onion powder, turmeric extract, colour, paprika extract. No chili in it whatsoever. Well, that's a letdown. They're nice. They're still nice, to be fair. They're a nice barbecue beef flavour really, but I feel like I've been sold a dud here, because, I mean, tell us if I'm wrong. If you would have picked those up expecting anything other than a spicy crisp, then I think you're lying to yourself. Who allowed these come to market? Anyways, for a rating of 100, I'll give these a 10. And that's all for the flavour, because 90 gets taken off for the lies. It's deceitful. No. However, I'll give them a 60. They are quite nice, but they have lost a lot of points, because if they were marketed as barbecue beef or summit or whatever, it would have rated higher, because I would have enjoyed them, but I feel lied to and let down. I'm gonna have to write an email to Chika's in Nigeria. So, yes, if you're looking for barbecue beef, I recommend them. If you're looking for chili, don't recommend them. But the cheese ones I would recommend, because it's cheese, and it says on the packet it's cheese. This doesn't. I'm in disbelief. Anyways, see you later.